So today we are going to talk about a book which is being used by me a lot in last few months actually, and I'll say that not the books but the topics or the things which are covered in these books are quite popular since last many years, and in last 3 years I can say specifically these things are being used a lot by me in my project. So this book is Continuous Delivery with Docker and Jenkins. So before I start talking about this book, let me tell you what Docker is and what Jenkins is. Docker is a container system, and you can say for uninitiated people who don't know what containers are, etc. So these are kind of next level of virtualization. In the virtualization area or era, I can say there was a sharing of the hardware, but in container era there is sharing of operating system also. So and then Jenkins, a management tool using which we can do our continuous delivery and continuous integration task. It has lots of plugins for different kind of uses, and you can end up creating your complete automated continuous delivery pipeline using Jenkins only. So this book is again a very detailed one, not the academic kind of detailed one, but a detailed one that how to actually, that how you can implement. So it start with an introduction with continuous delivery, then it start introduction of the Docker and what Docker is, and how it is different from the virtualization, the traditional virtualization. And then it tell us about that what is a Docker file, how you can create a Docker file, how you can use the Docker compose to create multiple containers or multiple runtime engines, we can say. And then it tells us about Jenkins, how we can install it, how we can use it, how we can create pipelines around it. And then it also goes out to test section where it tell us that how we can implement testing continuous integration in our pipelines. And then Ansible, again Ansible is a tool, a infrastructure management tool from Red Hat. Actually it is in open source again. And how we can do the configuration management with Ansible, then pipeline management, and then Docker Swarm, which is a kind of orchestration tool for containers. It is somewhere similar to the Kubernetes, which the name you may have heard a lot in recent times. And then it has a specific 10 practice session that how you can implement something. So I really like this book. It is not such a big book, not such a small book also, but it has covered things in detail. A, a really great book. I'll recommend if you really want to understand or if you really trying to implement Docker and Jenkins based continuous delivery or the testing environment or the staging environment in your project, I strongly recommend this book for you. Thank you, and please keep watching my videos. I'll be talking about lots of other books in future. You can subscribe my channel for that. Thank you.